And how long did you play with Oliver?
I joined him, I think it was on the 4th of February 2003, and I was fired February 2007.
It's amazing. You're one of those few people who are at liberty to talk about that they were fired. But a lot of people are embarrassed by being fired.
Yeah, everybody wants to nice up the story.
Yeah.
I know I just left, but I know I was fired.
Why were you fired? Why were you fired?
Yeah, there were so many theories. Because what happened is Tuko was not very good at speaking out his mind at times, especially face to face. So he never said anything. He just looked for another band and they started practicing with another band. And the first time we heard about it is when people started calling us, when it was out in the newspaper. We heard you are fired. We're fired. How did you know when I don't know? And then they told me it's in the paper. Then we checked the paper and we discovered that we were fired. It was 7 of us.
Wow.
But I never explained anything. So we ended up hearing so many theories. And I even watched one of your interviews with Professor Fred Zindi.
Yes.
He had his own theory. I don't know whether that one is the correct one or not.
And I think that's how Mona Mukundu left Oliver Mtukudzi's band, because according to Oliver, he wanted to show himself that, he could play the guitar. And Oliver is also trying to show that he can sing.
And there's a clash.
There's a clash. And of course, Oliver was more powerful. He sacked the whole band and found another band.
Number of journalists came to my studio wanting to hear a very juicy story.
Yeah.
But I always told them, you know what, it was a business decision. And, I have no problems with that. And I had saved my money. I bought my studio. So I took advantage of the time that I worked with him. So I've got no bitterness.
Well, it's monosophical. It is what it is. We say it like it is.